Most investors overlook XLK thinking tech stocks are too expensive right now, but successful investors know that the fastest way to capture massive market growth is through exposure to technology. That's where XLK comes in. Without the hassle of picking individual stocks, this ETF gives you a piece of the technology revolution driving the global economy, from AI, cloud computing, semiconductors, and software. If you want explosive growth in your portfolio, XLK demands your attention. Part 1. What is XLK? XLK is the Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund. It provides premium exposure to the technology sector of the S&P 500. Unlike broad market funds that water down your returns with slow-moving retail or utility stocks, XLK filters out the noise. It focuses exclusively on three primary pillars: technology hardware, storage software, and semiconductor infrastructure. The architecture here is genius. It doesn't just buy the tech sector. It weights companies by their market size, ensuring that your money is automatically funneled directly into the undisputed market leaders. Part 2. Key characteristics. XLK is a primary choice for institutional portfolios because it packs this aggressive growth with an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.08%. It is one of the oldest and most liquid tech funds on Earth, managing a staggering $121 billion in assets as of this video. Because it is built for explosive capital appreciation, it pays out a minor quarterly dividend yielding around 0.5%. The defining characteristic of XLK is its mechanical rebalancing system. It systematically funnels your capital straight to the absolute top of the tech dominance pyramid, making your money work highly efficient. Part 3. Top holdings. XLK is a masterclass in companies' concentration. Its top positions are completely dominated by absolute titans like Microsoft, Apple, Micron, Broadcom, and Nvidia. Depending on the quarter's rebalancing rules, the biggest holdings alone can command up to 50% to 60% of the entire fund. The rest of the portfolio features elite tech companies as well. By holding XLK, you are holding companies that hold critical patents, products, and great part of the market today. This is what makes this fund so powerful for growth. Part 4. Performance. XLK has spent the last decade systematically destroying broad benchmarks. Over the past 10 years, it has delivered a spectacular average annual return of 23.76% and maintains a rock-solid 10.19% per year since inception. Because of the unstoppable power of compound interest, that 23.76% annualized return snowballs into a massive 744.11% aggregate return. That means a single $10,000 investment left completely alone turned into a staggering $84,411 over the decade, without you lifting a single finger. When tech expands, XLK runs harder than almost anything else on the market. Part 5. Why invest in XLK? Investors are integrating XLK into their portfolio for several reasons. First, elite concentration. You aren't spreading your capital thin across hundreds of average stocks. You are backing the structural winners of the global economy. Second, institutional efficiency. You are securing a high-growth fund for an ultra-low cost. Third, automated dominance. The fund automatically adjusts your weightings to ensure you always hold the maximum allowed allocation of the market leaders. It is the ultimate play for anyone who wants to stop overthinking stock picks and ride the strongest wealth engine in stock market history. Part 6. Real-world example. If you consistently invest $100 every week into XLK over the next 30 years, and it continues to perform on par with its historic average since inception of 10.19%, your portfolio could explode to over $820,000. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ETF breakdowns.